Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making one of my favorite dish, Kadhi Pakodi. This is an extremely simple recipe to make, so let's get started. Let's start with the pakodi first. In a bowl, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of besan. To this add salt, haldi, chili powder and a pinch of baking soda. The soda helps make the pakodis fluffy. Mix everything till well combined. Then add little water at a time and mix to form a batter that is neither too thick nor too runny. I used about 1/4 cup of water to get the consistency shown. The batter is now ready. Heat oil in a kadai and add a teaspoon of batter at a time to make pakodis. Flip over when one side is done. When the pakodi is ready, remove it on a plate and keep aside. Now moving on to the curry, here I am taking 8 tablespoons or 1 cup of yogurt. To the yogurt, add ginger garlic paste, salt, haldi, Zeera powder and green chili paste. Mix everything till well combined. Then add 1/3 cup of besan to the mix and combine well, ensuring no lumps are formed. Add 2/3 cup of water to adjust the consistency. Now strain this mix so you have a smooth texture to your curry. Transfer the pan to a stove and cook on high heat till the curry starts boiling. Cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. As the curry starts boiling, you will see it starts to thicken. If the curry feels too thick, add some more water. Make sure the curry is not too thick while cooking, as it further thickens on adding the pakodi and also as it starts to cool down. Once the desired consistency is achieved, add the pakodi to the curry. Now prepare a tadka of oil, zeera, rye, dry red chilies, curry leaves and add it to the curry. Mix everything well. Garnish the curry with cilantro. Let everything come to a boil. And there it is. Your yummy curry is ready. Enjoy the curry with rice. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Do leave us a comment if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching.